friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new product for review. And the product that we are going to review is Fevikwik. We all have used it sometime or the other to stick something, and today we are going to review this Fevikwik small chotu pack of small one here, which is 1 gram pack. So let's get down to review of this product. So guys, this is the Fevikwik, which comes in all new packaging. Right here we can see it comes in this cardboard bag along with the plastic packaging on top, and it comes in a tube shape here. It's a 1-drop instant adhesive, very powerful and very nicely, very amazing product to stick anything that's broken. It's a product from Pidilite, which is the parent company of Fevikwik. And right here it says Fevikwik 1-drop instant adhesive. The MRP of this product is ₹10, and the shelf life of this product is 12 months from manufacturing. So it has a 12 months shelf life, after which it goes hard, so you can't use it. So let's go and check out the product. So it's a 1 gram pack. This is the pack that we have. It's a 1 gram pack that we have here, and it's an instant 1-drop adhesive, and it comes with this cap. So you just need to twist the cap on top to make a hole into it, and then you can use the adhesive to stick anything you want. So it's an amazing product. It's an instant adhesive. You can stick any plastic, anything that is broken can be stuck with this. Very powerful. Just be careful, do not let it touch your fingers, otherwise your fingers will get sticky. Definitely they won't stick together. It will just feel rough and like it starts to burn, kind of a thing. So just be careful while you are using it. Keep it away from children. Don't let kids touch this, because this is very dangerous for them. So make sure you all keep it away from them. So guys, if you all like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.